An ancient bread quietly solved a modern hormone problem. Imagine a world without factories or rapid transit. Picture a small village kitchen warmed by a stone oven. The air is thick with a rich, slightly tangy scent. This is not the light, airy loaf you find wrapped in plastic. This bread is dense, substantial, and deeply nourishing. It is the product of time, patience, and a living culture. This is real sourdough, an ancient secret for modern metabolism. Today, we're rediscovering how slow fermentation can help balance energy, stress, and well-being. Wild yeast and bacteria transform grain into gentler fuel. Bridging historical wisdom with metabolic science, we'll map a biological blueprint for hormonal harmony. At the core of every true sourdough is a living starter, a bustling ecosystem. Not a standardized product, but a community of microorganisms. Wild yeasts and lactic acid bacteria. They ride in on grain husks, live in flour, and drift in the air around us. Combine flour and water, they multiply and feed on starches. This vibrant culture leavens bread and powers biochemistry. Yeasts consume sugars, exhale carbon dioxide, and slowly rise the dough. Unlike fast single-strain yeast, wild communities work leisurely, by design. Lactic acid bacteria, kin to those in yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, shape acidity. Their organic acids lower pH, preserving bread and guiding metabolism. Yeast and bacteria feed each other, synergy that unlocks nutrition. Long fermentation changes gluten itself. For many, gluten challenges digestion, bloating, discomfort, inflammation. In slow, acidic sourdough, yeasts and bacteria produce proteases. These enzymes snip long gluten proteins into smaller, gentler fragments. Some with non-celiac sensitivity tolerate long-fermented sourdough better than fast-risen bread. Note: sourdough is not safe for celiac disease. Fermentation also reduces phytic acid, an anti-nutrient in bran and seeds. Phytate binds iron, zinc, magnesium, calcium, blocking absorption. Extended fermentation activates phytase. Acidity boosts its activity. Results: often over 60% less phytic acid. More bioavailable minerals, metabolic cofactors your hormones rely on. Smarter biology baked in. Blood sugar control is foundational to hormonal health. Ultra-processed bread, refined flour, and fast yeast digests fast. Carbs rapidly become glucose, spiking blood sugar and insulin. Repeated spikes push toward insulin resistance. Overshoot, then crash, fatigue, irritability, and carb cravings. Crashes trigger cortisol to rescue glucose, stress signaling on repeat. Over time, cortisol dysregulation fuels anxiety, poor sleep, midsection weight, and fatigue. Traditional sourdough tells a different story. Acids, intact fiber, and altered starch slow digestion. Result: a gentle rise, a modest insulin response. Less strain on insulin and cortisol, calmer hormonal terrain. Benefits go beyond blood sugar. Sourdough supports the gut. Your gut influences immunity, metabolism, and hormones. A diverse microbiome communicates with brain and glands. Sourdough is prebiotic, fiber and resistant starch that feed good bacteria. Fermentation makes more starch resistant in the small intestine. In the colon, microbes turn fibers into short-chain fatty acids. Butyrate, propionate, acetate, metabolic superstars. Butyrate fuels colon cells, maintaining the gut barrier and reducing inflammation. SCFAs improve insulin sensitivity and calm systemic signals. They activate gut-brain pathways that steady mood and cortisol. Balanced hormones often begin with a well-fed microbiome. Incorporating sourdough doesn't need to be complicated, just mindful. Marketing can mislead. Read ingredients. True sourdough: flour, water, salt, plus thyme. Avoid commercial yeast, fake tang, and long additive lists. Ask about real starter and long, slow fermentation. Prefer whole grain sourdough for fiber. Vitamins, minerals. More fiber means steadier energy and prebiotic fuel. Pair bread with protein and healthy fats to buffer blood sugar. Try avocado, a pasture-raised egg, almond butter, or cheese. Fat and protein slow gastric emptying for sustained energy. Combine with quality sleep, daily movement, and stress practices for hormonal harmony. In 2026, information overwhelms, yet wisdom endures. Sourdough reminds us, simple ancient practices carry biological intelligence. Microbes pre-digest grain, easing the gut and stabilizing hormones. Swap fast-risen bread for slow fermentation. Opt out of the sugar roller coaster. This isn't anti-modern, it's discerning. Time is an irreplaceable ingredient. Find a baker, or cultivate your own starter and bake at home. Feel the living dough, watch it rise, let the aroma ground your day. Notice sustained energy, no crash, and a calmer mind. Reintroduce this ancient bread hack, eat differently, honor tradition, and step toward your body's natural balance.